What's up, guys? If you want smooth, fast, and precise cuts every time, the electric hand planer is your go-to tool. Lightweight, powerful, and easy to control, it removes material quickly, levels surfaces flawlessly, and shapes wood with professional precision. Upgrade your toolkit and create perfect projects effortlessly. So, let's get started. Number 6. Heimerdinger Cordless Electric Hand Planer. Precision, power, and total freedom. Upgrade your woodworking with the Heimerdinger hand planer, designed for craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts who demand efficiency, power, and flawless results. Its cordless design gives you the freedom to work anywhere, eliminating messy cords and restricting your creativity. Why you'll choose it? Cordless freedom. Move effortlessly across your workspace without being tied to outlets, keeping your area clean and organized. Wide and precise cutting. The 3 to 1/4 inch cutting width and depth of up to 5/64 inches 2 mm lets you handle any project, with ultra-precise adjustments down to 0.01 mm for perfect finishes. Powerful brushless motor. With a 15,000 RPM no-load speed, it delivers fast, smooth material removal for professional-grade results. Enhanced safety. Features a dual-switch safety system that ensures the planer only runs when both switches are pressed, protecting you during use. Lightweight, powerful, and highly precise, the Heimerdinger Cordless Electric Hand Planer is a must-have for anyone seeking effortless, professional-quality woodworking anywhere. The next is Number 5. WEN 6528 Electric Hand Planer. Precision, power, and effortless control. Upgrade your woodworking game with the WEN Electric Hand Planer, a lightweight yet powerful tool designed to deliver professional results with minimal effort. Perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned craftsmen, this planer combines speed, accuracy, and convenience in one compact package. Why you'll love it? High-speed 3.8 amp motor delivers up to 32,000 cuts per minute, removing material quickly while leaving a smooth, flawless finish. Precise depth control. With 9 positive stops, you can adjust cutting depth from 0 to 1/16 inches, giving you ultimate control for any project. Lightweight and easy to handle. Weighing just 4.3 pounds, it reduces fatigue and allows comfortable, extended use without compromising stability. Smart, user-friendly design. Includes an onboard storage slot for the blade adjustment wrench and a kickstand to prevent accidental damage to your workpiece. Reliable and durable, backed by a 2-year warranty, ensuring long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Whether smoothing boards, trimming doors, or shaping wood, the WEN 6528 Electric Hand Planer delivers exceptional power, unmatched precision, and effortless handling, making it a must-have tool for any woodworking project. The next is Number 4. CRAFTSMAN Electric Handheld Planer. Redefine the art of woodworking. Step into a new era of woodworking excellence with the CRAFTSMAN Electric Handheld Planer, a masterpiece built for those who value precision, performance, and perfection. Whether you're smoothing rough boards or fine-tuning detailed edges, this planer turns every project into a professional-grade creation. At the heart of this powerful tool is a 6 amp high-torque motor that reaches an impressive 16,500 RPM, delivering unstoppable cutting performance on both soft and hardwoods. Each stroke glides effortlessly, removing material with precision and leaving behind a silky smooth surface ready for the next step of craftsmanship. Why it stands out? Unmatched power. The 6 amp motor delivers consistent strength, effortlessly handling dense materials for smooth, controlled cuts. Blazing speed. With 16,500 RPM, achieve fast material removal and a flawless finish in less time. Superior stability. The 11.5-inch cast aluminum shoe provides perfect balance and stability, ensuring each cut remains straight and true. Cleaner workspace. Dual-side dust extraction ports give you flexible control over cleanup, keeping your area tidy and efficient. Precision control. The overmolded depth adjustment knob with 10 positive stops allows fine-tuned accuracy for every cut. Compact, lightweight, and built to last, the CRAFTSMAN Handheld Planer is not just another power tool, it's a precision instrument designed for true artisans. Whether you're building furniture, trimming doors, or finishing home projects, it delivers professional results with power, balance, and style. With CRAFTSMAN, every pass is a step closer to perfection, where raw wood transforms into refined artistry. The next is 3. Bosch PL 2632K planer power, precision, and perfection in every pass. The Bosch planer is designed for professionals who value smooth performance, precision, and comfort. Powered by a 6.5 amp motor producing 16,500 RPM, it delivers fast stock removal and a silky smooth finish, making it ideal for any woodworking project. Why you'll want it? Its powerful performance. The 6.5 amp motor ensures quick, clean, and efficient planing on even the toughest materials. Dual mount guide fence. Mounts on either side with protective shields and no more overshoes for perfect, scratch-free surfaces. Smart safety system. Features an ambidextrous lock-off button to prevent accidental starts and a lock-on option for continuous operation. Precision aluminum shoes. Front and rear shoes are machined together for perfectly even, accurate cuts every time. Ratcheting depth knob. Adjust depth from 0 to 2.6 mm 3/30 seconds in one quick rotation. No re-zeroing needed. Ejection control. Directs wood chips left or right for cleaner workspace management. Wood razor carbide blades. Durable and reversible, lasting 30% longer than standard blades. With its balance of power, precision, and innovation, the Bosch PL 2632K planer makes woodworking faster, easier, and more professional than ever. The next is Number 2. Makita 18V LXT Cordless Planer. Power meets perfection in every pass. Experience the perfect balance of precision, power, and portability with the Makita Cordless Planer. Designed for professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike, this compact yet high-performing tool delivers smooth, accurate, and consistent results without the hassle of cords. Why you'll love it? Powerful and precise. Effortlessly planes up to 3 to 1/4 wide and 5/64 deep in a single pass, ensuring faster, cleaner, and more accurate finishes every time. 2-blade cutter head. Features double-edged carbide blades that maintain sharpness for longer and produce a silky smooth surface with every use. Lightweight and comfortable, weighing only 7.4 pounds, it offers exceptional balance and control, reducing fatigue during extended use. High-speed performance. The 14,000 RPM motor ensures rapid stock removal for smooth, even cuts with minimal effort. Precision depth control. Equipped with a click depth adjustment knob and a clear, easy-to-read scale from 0 to 5/64, it allows precise and repeatable depth settings for flawless work. Built with Makita's trusted LXT battery technology, this planer offers cordless convenience while maintaining exceptional runtime and performance. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the high-efficiency engineering enhances your workflow on any job site or home project. Whether you're leveling door edges, chamfering boards, or crafting fine furniture, the Makita 18V LXT cordless planer gives you the speed, precision, and freedom to achieve professional quality results anywhere. Power meets perfection. Make every pass count with Makita. The next is Number 1. DEWALT 20V MAX Planer. Redefine precision and power in every cut. Experience the next level of woodworking perfection with the DEWALT MAX planer, designed for those who demand accuracy, efficiency, and absolute control. Whether you're shaping, trimming, or finishing wood, this cordless powerhouse ensures flawless results with every pass. Why you'll love it? High-performance brushless motor. Delivers exceptional power and extended runtime while maintaining maximum efficiency. 30,000 cuts per minute. Offers lightning-fast material removal for smooth, clean, and consistent finishes. Deep 5/64 2 mm cut capacity. Achieve precise shaping and leveling with fewer passes for increased productivity. Micro depth adjustment 1/256/0.01 mm. Provides ultra-fine control for detailed, professional-grade results. Precision aluminum shoes. Guarantee perfectly parallel cuts and an outstanding surface finish every time. Smart kickstand design prevents accidental damage to your work surface when the planer is set down. Built-in chamfer groove. Effortlessly create clean, uniform edge chamfers for a polished, professional look. Backed by DEWALT's trusted reliability and engineered for comfort with its ergonomic, cordless design, the 20V MAX planer gives you the freedom to work anywhere without sacrificing performance. From rough shaping to fine finishing, it redefines what precision and power feel like in your hands. Work smarter, cut smoother, and craft with confidence. Choose DEWALT for perfection in every project. So this is the best option for you to buy.